Meet Sunflower, the world's first SmartLight therapy device. SmartLight Therapy instantly delivers 11 unique light therapy routines, each dose to meet your exact health goals, from pain relief to skin health to mood improvement. When you open your Sunflower box, you will find a QR code to download the free Sunflower by JustLight app, your Sunflower, protective eyewear, a 10-foot power cable, and a thank you card with a QR code to our user manual. Now, let's take a look at the Sunflower app, the key to unlocking all of the power in your Sunflower device. To download the Sunflower app, scan the QR code in your box. This will help you navigate to the Apple or Google Play Store to download the Sunflower app. You can also search Sunflower by JustLight in the App Store or visit justlight.com for a link to our app. Once downloaded, you will open the app and see 3 pages at the bottom titled Home, Browse, and Settings. On the Browse page, you will find our catalog of SmartLight therapy routines, including any new routines that have been added. The home screen is your personal list of saved routines for easy access. To customize your home screen, simply click the plus sign to any routine on the Browse page, and the routine will be saved on your home screen. In Settings, you can connect your Apple ID to sync your saved routines across devices. You will also see a question mark icon in the top right corner of the screen to access our frequently asked questions. To learn about each routine, simply click on the routine for information on the dosing for the routine and the research behind it. At the top of the screen, you will see the routine name and duration with a short description below. You will also see a recommendation for the frequency of use, typically 2 times per day every day. To run your first routine, place your Sunflower on a flat, stable surface. Make sure the face of the Sunflower can reach the area of your body you wish to target. Plug one end of the power cord into the hole on the back of your Sunflower and plug the other end into the nearest electrical outlet. Finally, using the black switch on the back of your Sunflower, switch your device to the on position. Sunflower must be connected to the app via Bluetooth to function. To run a routine, select a routine and click Start Routine. Allow the device to connect and select Begin, and sit back and relax. The lights on your device will immediately turn on and automatically tune its output to deliver the precise dose every time. The timer will automatically count down. When the timer reaches 0, Sunflower will automatically turn off. You can pause or stop the routine at any time. For best results, use the device twice daily for a minimum of 1 to 2 weeks. For maintenance and general wellness support, you can use the device as needed, but it is not recommended to use a single routine more than twice per day. In between uses, we recommended switching off the Sunflower. Switch the device's power to the off position and unplug it from the wall outlet. Now that you've watched this video, you should have all of the tools you need to get started with Sunflower and start your wellness journey. We are so excited for you to explore the many benefits of Sunflower and SmartLight therapy.